Welcome back. If we are working with an affiliate network and we want to use our existing button, we can do that. For example, if we wanted to use this Add to Cart button, yet we wanted to use JVZoo, we could do that. What we would do is we would grab the button from the very bottom of the JVZoo page. We would get the code for using one's own button. We'd copy the information. In this case, it would be best to place this in a notepad file. And what we need is the image to insert in this area. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab this entire code and we're going to copy it. We're going to put that inside of the JVZoo code. Now that we have our entire JVZoo code, we can then take this entire code. We can place it inside of our page. Now when we place the button, you'll notice that it does not align fully to the left. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our center code in. And then our button is back to the middle. So all we'll need to do now is we'll need to save our page and then re-upload. And when we get ready to use our button and we hover over the button, what you'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner is that clicking this will take us to our JVZoo product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.